Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly check your Tesla's software version and access the release notes. Knowing your software version is crucial for understanding the features available to you, tracking improvements, and troubleshooting potential issues. Tesla vehicles receive over-the-air updates often, and the software version is how we know if the vehicle is up to date. The easiest way to check your software version is on your Tesla's touchscreen. First, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the main menu. Then tap Controls, which has a gear icon. Next, select Software. Then select Additional Vehicle Information. Your current software version will be displayed. For example, you might see 2025.45.10.2. You can also check the software version using the Tesla mobile app. First, open the app on your smartphone and select your vehicle from the list of connected cars. Once your vehicle is selected, navigate to the Vehicle Details section and tap on Software. This tab provides access to your current software version information. Here, the Tesla app will show your current software version, such as 2025.45.2, and inform you if any updates are pending or available for download. Tesla release notes provide detailed information about changes, fixes, and new features in each software update. The most reliable places to access them are through official Tesla channels. First, visit the official Tesla website at tesla.com/software, or the support section for release notes organized by version and model. Second, after an update installs, check the in-vehicle notification on your touchscreen under the changelog section for a summary of what's new. Third, open the Tesla mobile app and navigate to the Software tab to view release notes and check for pending updates. Remember to always use these official sources to ensure you have the most accurate and up-to-date information about your Tesla's software. Besides official channels, you might find summaries on Tesla community forums like Tesla Motors Club or Reddit's r/Tesla. However, always double-check these against official Tesla sources to ensure accuracy. Email alerts are also sent to owners enrolled in update notifications. Release notes highlight bug fixes, such as reduced phantom braking, which improves driving safety by minimizing unexpected stops. They also detail new features, like enhanced voice commands, making your Tesla more intuitive and responsive. Plus, they cover performance improvements, such as better handling in various conditions. For example, the recent 2025.45 update focused on winter performance enhancements and full self-driving improvements. Reading release notes helps you take full advantage of your Tesla by staying informed about these updates. If your Tesla's software version appears outdated, the first step is to ensure proper connectivity for over-the-air updates. Keep your vehicle connected to Wi-Fi or a cellular network to receive OTA updates automatically. Remember that Tesla software updates are deployed in stages, starting with a small percentage of vehicles to gather feedback before wider release. This staged approach helps identify and resolve any issues before the update reaches all users. If you're still experiencing trouble after checking connectivity, contact Tesla support for assistance. Their team can provide personalized help to get your vehicle updated and running smoothly. Staying up to date with the latest software ensures your Tesla performs at its best, with access to new features and important security enhancements. Regular updates help maintain optimal performance and keep your driving experience safe and advanced.